Hi. So, I decided to create a website builder based on AI. And it's quite different from the approach that most companies use. And I decided to make all the stuff by using AI. So, basically, AI will decide which design you're going to use. Of course, later you will be able to choose from options, and AI will decide what captions, what text will be on the website. And I'm going to explain today how I would like to create an architecture for my app, and that will be some kind of not developer explanation, but also include some stuff for developers as well. It should be divided into two parts. The first part uses AI to create content as well as decide what design is going to be. And the second part is something that is used to launch the website itself. I was thinking about the best approach for that. The first idea was to use Python and Django for service and PHP for the website. But later, I decided to use the same Python and Django for user website as well. So right now, that will require me to develop one code in one framework, just separating these different models, uh, and I will divide it into two parts later uh, when I will have a running service already. That will allow me to create it as fast as possible right now and divide it into service and user website parts. For implementing this, I decided to create some basic blocks. It will include, for example, such blocks as section, title, text, and so on. So I will not need to generate an HTML code. I will use some predefined functions to create that HTML code. In the next video, I will explain how I will make those functions. Right now, you see how those functions will be opened into HTML. And the main idea here is that most websites uses same blocks, like for example in a gray background and a white background, and also in some color background with the title, functions, and so on. And they're quite common. So I do not need to create every section, every design for a website. I just need to use some kind of idea to separate it to schemes by using CSS and also code that uses Python, Django, and HTML. But I will use my blocks. So AI will create a content and also will put blocks in terms of my engine. So it will not think about HTML code. It will think which block should be, where it should be placed, what caption, what title, what content, and features, icons, and so on will be used. But later, based on that code, engine will give in HTML by using standard Django functions like templates. In the next video, I explain how I'll use Django templates to do that, to create such functions, and make AI to concentrate on content mostly. So I have several tasks. First of all, I need to use Django web framework to create a basic app. Second, I need to divide it into two parts: engine and the parts that will show the website itself. I need to store the content that will be generated by AI into some database, and I need to create pseudo functions based on Django template system. After that, I need AI to train, to choose blocks and content for the website, and also implement some kind of skins by using CSS code. So guys, I just started this channel and I'll be really happy if you'll subscribe and like this video. Thank you.